Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to show you how to type @ on laptop. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. There are two different ways to type the @ using your keyboard. After placing your cursor at a typable place, you can type the @ by pressing Shift and the 2 button from above. This method is widely used and is doable using any keyboard. Some older keyboards can type this using another method as well, which is pressing Shift and the comma button. But in newer keyboards, it types the quotation marks. So always use the first method. If yours is having a problem and cannot type the @ then you might have selected the wrong language for your keyboard. You can fix this easily by opening your settings, then click on the time and language. Now click on language and then click on add a language. Now search for US. You can see different English US versions. Any of them can do the job. If you don't have English added, you can click on it and then click on next and then click on install. Now your English language is installed. You can select or change your keyboard language by clicking on the ENG sign on the bottom right of your screen. Now select the English language that you just downloaded. Now go and start typing the @ button and it should work flawlessly. It's that simple. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.